are having our afternoon walk, guys. Dito sa aming park, malapit sa bahay. Yan si Lady. Yan si Daddy. Aliyah. So, umulan buong weekend. Ngayon lang nag-stop yung ulan. And then tomorrow, I think it's gonna be sunny tomorrow. So, me and Aliyah will be at home tomorrow. Yes! That's Ate Lady! Yes, Aliyah! Not today, not today.
After all your drawing, you didn't want to wash your face.
Carrot. What? What is it? Ha? Yeah. Let's
with her little wellies.
cute, this unicorn. Ate Jenny said, oh, I like a unicorn. Ay, only 7. Aliyah, what have you got? We have a kitchen, guys. Look, she's dancing pa. Show the guys.
Open your kitchen. Open your microwave. Oh. Put your food in.
She's cooking sausage. Wow, you see? You have your own cupboard.
So like, whoa.
This is cool.
For £10?
Yes, I know. Bargain. Oh, wash dishes. So she wash her dishes.
Bit scratch, but it's okay.
Oh, shit. Do you like it?
Dad? Ooh, turn.
Turn. Oh, here's your other stuff. Oh, guys, may kitchen na si Aliyah. Pwede na siyang mag-cook.
Oh.
No, here's your tray of egg.
Okay.
Hello, everybody.
So, continuation ng ating vlog. I'm with Aliyah. Today is Monday. Hello. So, tong baby. Yes, what are you doing, darling? Do you want to show the guys? You're baking. Kumakain siya ng macarons. Oh. Okay. Shut your oven. Ito guys, we have a busy toddler here. Yes, ta. Ayan. Busy si Aliyah sa kanyang kitchen. She has a new kitchen, guys, which is really cute. Maliit. So, she has the microwave here. And she has the oven. She has the range. Ito, tsaka yung sink. Tsaka meron din siya ditong lalagyan ng kanyang mga produce. Okay? She has here yung mga vegetables, fruits, and her mga spatula. Ayan. May mga parating pa na toys for her kasi binilhan siya ni grandma daw ng kanyang mga pots, yung mga lutuan, ganun. So, yan ang kanyang pinagkakabalahan ngayon, guys. Si Aliyah, oh, now she's doing her puzzle. Big apple. Do you want mommy to help? Yan. Kanina, i-share ko lang, guys, na kanina hindi masaya si Aliyah kasi very clingy siya. hindi siya nakatulog ng maayos kagabi. Kung hindi siya nakatulog, guys, ang mamshi din, hindi nakatulog. Oh, ito namang isang to. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's for our vlog, anak. You gonna talk to them? Look at this. Hello, Mike Tess. Hello? Hello? Hi. Do you wanna wave to them? Yeah, you want it like that. Oh, sige. Oh, mag-vlog ka karod, ha? Oh, you want like mommy? Very nice. Gaya-gaya na dito, guys. May gaya-gaya na dito. Oh, you say hi. Watch me bake my cake, you see. Okay? Watch me bake cake. Oh, you want mommy to put it on? Don't take it off, ha? There. That's like mommy. You gonna cook your? Here. I want those ones here. Here. Yeah, this one's. Baking macarons. Very nice. Very nice. Can I have Alea, please can I have fruits, please? Oh dear. Where's your other two? Here you go. Go. Press. Good job. Good done. Yep, okay. Press. Press it hard. Masaya ang inner child ni Mamsi. Alam nyo, naisip ko nung growing up, okay, meron naman akong mga luto-lutoan, ganyan. Kasi may mga auntie ako nagbibigay din ng mga toys ko, mga auntie, mga lola, ganun, na generous naman sa pagbibigay ng mga toys, ganun. Pero hindi talaga kami lumaki, guys, na super daming mga toys o kaya yung mga latest na toys. Binabalhan naman kami ng mga toys namin, pero mga simple lang na mga so parang diba, this time we give the best for our children, sabi nga nila, the best that we can give them, no? Look at the guys. So, ayun. Masaya ko kasi na-enjoy ni Aliyah yung mga ganitong bagay. Like, yung mga toys na. And, yeah. Yes. You say. Oh, what are you telling the guys? Oh. Hello. Say hello to the guys. Okay, see you later. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye. Busy yung anak. Nakakatawa kasi marunong na siya talagang makipaglaro. Bye. Nagbababay siya sa akin. Bye. Marunong siyang makipaglaro. Marunong na din siyang maglaro mag-isa. O, tignan niyo naman ginagawa niya ngayon, guys. So, humiga na siya sa dyan. O, okay? You sleeping? Pretend to sleep. So, alam niyo yung pag nabibigay mo yung mga bagay niya, hindi mo halos nakakuha nung bata ka. It feels good, right? Kaya nga tayo nag-strive for life for these reasons. And ako, as much as I want to give everything that I want for Aliyah, of course, we have to balance it out. Hindi lahat binibigay mo material things. You have to make them also realize na hindi lahat is material things. Isn't it, anak? Minsan, family time, quality time with the parents and family. Diba? Hindi lahat material things. Pero maganda kasi na mabigyan sila ng mga ganyan, mga laruan to develop their skills. Yan naman ang reason why they have to have toys. Because toddler, their work is actually play. Like, di ba tayong mga adults, we have our work time. For the toddlers, guys, ang kanilang work is playtime. Paano sila magpe-play kung wala silang toys? Naalala ko nung bata ako, kung wala kaming mapaglaruan na mga bagay, lumalabas kami sa labas, and then we play outside. May mga friends ako noon na sa aming barangay na yung umaakyat ng puno, tapos umaano sila, yung namimita sila ng mga mangga, mga sampalok, ganun. Ako yung taga-pulot. Kasi hindi ako marunong umakyat ng puno. Tsaka natatakot ako. Yun. So, ako ang taga-pulot, tsaka taga-turo. Sabihin ko, yun pa, marami. Ganun. Hello, good evening, everybody. So, time check ay it's 7:30 ng gabi. Diba? Hulas na hulas tayo. Today is Tuesday. Continuation ng vlog from yesterday. So, today is Tuesday na ng gabi. Bumalik na ako sa work kanina after long weekend. Lady, no bark. So, ngayong araw sobrang lamig, guys. Ang temperature ay, share ko sa inyo. 5 degrees na pala. Kaninang umaga, it was 5 degrees. Yan sa labas. It will go to 3 degrees tomorrow, and then it's going to be Lady, no bark. Windy. Dahil malamig ang panahon, magluluto tayo ng sopas. Ayan, diba? So, ilalagay na natin ngayon yung carrots. Nagluluto lang ako ng sopas during winter, pag malamig yung panahon. So, nung nakaraan, nagluto ako ng sinigang. So, ngayon, magluluto tayo ng sopas. Or, they call it here sa UK, ang tawag dito? Chicken pasta. Chicken pasta soup. Yun yung tawag dito sa UK. So, iboboil lang natin yung may tong aking sopas, chicken, carrots, sausage, pasta, repolyo, tsaka green beans. Wow. Sigsig. Let's eat sopas for dinner. Aliyah is loving the sopas of mommy. And you, babe.